All right, part 3, final part here, getting this done for the Bart quiere un gato story. We did this matching section the other day on the PDF, so you already have these answers. Make sure you fill these answers in, okay? That is your responsibility. All right, this one says, answer the following questions. Now, these questions are about the story. In the questions above, the 31 questions that we had up top, those ones were about the story as well, but they asked a question about almost every single sentence in the story. This is just asking 5 generic questions about the story. So, we can probably answer these questions either on our own or with the answers that we've already written from the story. So number 1 says, ¿Quién es el chico? ¿Quién, who es el chico? Who is the boy? And we know with our who questions, we can take the entire thing, paste it over here, and we're going to take out the word who and replace it with the person's name. So who is the boy? Who's the main character? Bart. Bart es el chico. Bart is the boy. Now we could have gone up here and we could have seen right here, que es Bart, Bart es un chico, or the I un chico, or any of those. We could have looked at those. Number 2, ¿Dónde está el chico? ¿Dónde, where, está, is, el chico, the boy. Where is the boy? He's in California, right? So we can type this. So we can say el chico because we're using words straight from the question. Or you can say Bart. That's fine. El chico está, and I'm going to use está. I'm copying it because it has that accent. El chico está en, and we know he's in California. He's in somewhere specific in California, though. He's in Barstow, California. El chico está en Barstow, California. Now let's look back up top and see if there were any of those questions that we could have taken the answer from. Right here. Oh, look. Question number 1. Haha. Question number 4. Where is Bart? Bart is in Barstow, California. Okay. We could have just taken that right there. Next question. Question number 3. ¿Qué quiere Bart? ¿Qué, what? Quiere, wants, Bart. Or what does Bart want? What does he want? He wants a cat, right? Bart. Quiere, he wants. Un gato. Bart wants a cat. Now we could have gone up here. And, oh look, number 1. So what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to fix that. Number 7. What does Bart want? ¿Qué quiere Bart? Bart quiere un gato. Bart wants a cat. Answer's right there. We already did that one. Number 4. ¿Por qué va Bart en Google? Why goes Bart on Google? Or why does Bart go on Google? So why did he go on Google? What was he doing? Well, that's right, he was looking for a cat. We don't know the word for looking, right? Remember, I want your Spanish to stay small so you can remember all of it. So let's scroll up here and see. Why was he going to Google? Well, look. Question number 9. Why does Bart go to Google? Oh, sorry. Bart goes to Google because he wants a cat. Bart va a Google porque quiere un gato. I'm going to take that. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Bart va a Google porque quiere un gato. Bart goes to Google because he wants a cat. Question number 5. ¿Quién, who recibe el gato? Who receives the cat? Now we already know that with our who questions, we can copy the entire thing and replace the word who with the person's name. So who receives the cat? All right, Bart. Bart recibe el gato. All right, then we have some personal questions here. The personal questions, we may have already answered some of them, so we may be able to copy and paste some of our answers that we already have. So number 1, ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? Where are you? We already answered this one, right? ¿Dónde estás? Right here. Oh, estoy en, and wherever you are. I'm going to copy that answer and paste it right down here. But I missed the E because I don't know what's going on. Estoy en Tennessee, or estoy en Memphis, or estoy en casa, I'm at home, or estoy en la cama, I'm in bed, estoy en la escuela, I'm in school, right? Any of those answers are totally awesome. Question number 2. ¿Tienes un gato? Tienes. Do you have a cat? Okay, so tienes, we're going to look up here on our little copied slide. Tienes is you have. So I know we're going to say tango. We at least have to have tango in our answer. Okay, so tango, I have. We know we're going to have that. If you do have a cat, you need to say yes. You need to say sí. But sí has an accent on the I. So we're going to go to insert, symbol, more symbols, and it's the one right above this G, the lowercase g with the little swoop-d on it, this one here. It's called Latin small letter I with acute. Very technical. It's an I with an accent in Spanish. Click insert and close. And that's how you write yes. If you don't have the accent on the I, you're saying if. So it does matter. So we're going to say sí, tengo un gato if you do have a cat, or no, I don't have a cat. Un gato. All right. In Spanish, you kind of have to say no twice. So you're saying no to answer the question, and then you're saying I don't have. And when you say I don't have something, or I don't, whatever, you have to have the no in front of the verb. So no, comma, no tengo un gato. Number 3 says, ¿Quieres un gato? ¿Quieres? ¿Quieres? Do you want a cat? So this one here, do you want a cat? This can kind of go 2 different ways, right? If you do want a cat, you can tell me sí. So we're going to type, we clicked insert, symbol, more symbols, and it was the last letter that we inserted, so we can click on it. You can double click to insert it, or you can click the insert button and then close. Okay, so we said yes, and I want, let's scroll back up to our little copied slide here. Quiero means I want. So we're going to have quiero down here. Sí, quiero un gato. Yes, I want a cat. Or maybe you don't. No, no quiero un gato. I don't want a cat. Number 4, número 4, ¿Quieres un elefante? ¿Quieres? Do you want un elefante, an elephant? Do you want an elephant? Oh my gosh, I totally do. I totally want an elephant. I think that would be the coolest thing ever. Except for their poop. I wouldn't want to clean up their poop. But I think an elephant would be a great pet. So we're going to have the same kind of format as we had with the cat question. So we can say yes, sí. We're going to click insert, symbol, more symbols, and this Latin small letter I with acute, Sí, quiero un elefante. Yes, I want an elephant. Or no, no quiero un elefante. And if you don't want an elephant, well, then we're not going to be friends anymore because elephants are so cool. All right, and number 5, this is our very deep existential question. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué, what, quieres, you want? What do you want? What do you want? Whoa, that's a deep question, right? You can answer this one as deep or as not as you want, all right? Everyone's answer, rather, is going to have quiero. And this is where you're going to have some answer, okay? I'll put a couple of things here. Maybe you want to sleep. Dormir. Oops, sorry. Maybe you want to eat. Comer. Maybe you want a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Un novio. Oh gosh, sorry. All right. Let's see, what else? Well, oh, what if you want to graduate? Graduarme. I want to graduate. That's a good one. All right. And then that should be it. So don't forget, though, that you have to fill out this part, this matching part. You have to fill that part out on your own. We already did that in the PDF that we downloaded the other day. So open up that PDF and match these. Don't forget that you have to write the whole word there. Here, I'll do one example for you. Boom. All right? All right, y'all. So that is it. Don't forget that I think you just need to click turn in on the assignment for this once you're finished.